Alright, Wes, what's the plan for today?
I made a materials list for some metal to do the back air conditioner mount and propane tank mount on the back of the bus, so we're going to go get some metal for it.
Penrose steel.
Yeah.
Tell you what, bus is looking really good.
Ready? All right, I need a 40 foot of 1 inch 16 gauge square tubing.
Yeah. This guy was who I had last time.
Up in the park and then come back in the reverse. There you go. So weird. You don't hear automatic transmissions do that too much. Usually it's someone driving a stick shift. Offside to the upper right there, probably.
It's clear now. So we had a little bit of a rainstorm.
Yeah.
And now we're getting at it. I've been inside working on the computer, and now Wes has been out here getting busy with the rear rack.
Yeah, we can turn the welder off. Basically, let me unclamp this real quick, like if you can wait a moment. Patience, people, patience. So basically, what I'm doing is building the rack that will hold the AC unit, of course, and propane tanks. This part here will go flat up against the back of the bus, and this will be the front side. So just imagine this flipped this way. So what I'm doing now, this will be the front, and I'm going to put some bars across down this way, so it'll basically be a boxed in piece. And then this will be what's bolting up against the back of the bus to hold everything. So I've just put it inside of this so I can mimic the exact piece, so when this comes straight up like this, it'll all be square and true.
Looking fantastic.
Thank you kindly, sir.
So gonna have 2 of these propane tanks, 15-pound propane tanks, and you can see the AC unit. So I did order this guy on Amazon. I'm not sure if you can see it. Got a little bit of a dent. So I'm gonna message them tonight, Amazon that is, and see, you know, what can be done, or if there is anything that can be done, or if they just tell me you're out of luck, bud. done. I was using these wheels. They do an amazing job with the decals and the stickers. Just takes them right off. I'll put these in the link in the description if any of you are interested, but that is ready to go. Just got the hose out, sprayed it down, and then next will be the sander and then taping everything off. So the two 100-gallon water tanks are going right underneath here. So I'm going to cut away the foam on both sides as well as the wood right there. I have this Sawzall blade and I'm just going to Sawzall the foam out as well as cut that wood. Probably more practical to use a knife, but I haven't used a Sawzall in a while.
Can't leave Chris alone ever. Look what happens when you leave him alone.
Start destroying stuff. Saws on a bunch of stuff. I ended up just breaking it all up with a hammer. Wes has been back here hard at work while I've been making calls most of the day.
Napping.
What you got? Yeah, in there napping, just hanging out with Missy.
Yep.
What we got going here?
So I just finished just a couple minutes ago. So this was the cutout where I cut it out, as you'll see in the other videos that I took. But yeah, got it all completed, ground down, welded in place. Chris is going to insulate with 1.5 insulation up to this point with 3/4 on top, and then his water tanks will sit right on top of that basically. So the water tank will be able to sit right on top of the insulation and the flooring, and then sit right on top of here as well. We just needed that extra space because of his tanks.
Yeah, they'll be side by side, 2 of them.
Yep.
So be able to have 200 gallons of fresh water. Looks pretty amazing.
Yeah, I'm glad we got it done. Another project finished. Check it off the list.
Mm-hmm. So what's on the docket now?
I guess now we can go out. I don't know what your day is like now, but we need to actually mount that back rack that I was working on.
Mm-hmm.
For the air conditioner and propane, and drill some holes through and get that thing mounted, and then we can pull everything apart, start prepping for prime and paint.
Yeah, I'm done for at least 2 hours from now.
Okay.
I need a break.
Sure.
I'm brain dead right now.
That's what happens when you sit in that chair on the computer all day, man.
Talking to people,
Yep, you got to get out here and do something.
trying to have a conversation and click.
Yep.
Goodness gracious, man.
Wind is crazy.